Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making Gizdodo, but please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. The ingredients we'll be using today are red bell pepper, green bell pepper and onions already chopped, and we have our habanero, onions and red bell pepper. We have our gizzard, our rived plantain, and for seasoning we have our bouillon powder, salt, curry, onion powder, garlic powder, curry powder, and our vegetable oil. First, we're going to be seasoning our gizzard and boiling it. I'll be seasoning the gizzard today with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of bouillon powder, garlic powder, curry powder, onion powder, a tiny bit of thyme, not too much. Do not forget, I'm only doing 1 serving, so I'm not making a lot of portion. You can like double the size of this. Add a little bit of water and put to boil. While you're boiling your gizzard, you can as well just chop up your plantain into cubes and set aside for later use. Then I'll be blending my red bell pepper, onions and habanero pepper. Set that aside also. Once the gizzard is fully done and cooked, remove and set aside. Add some oil to your pan and fry up your plantain. You don't want this plantain to be overly fried, you just want it to be golden fried and nice. You can see that color, you just want that. Put inside a paper towel. Fry your gizzard in the same vegetable oil till it's well dry. Look at that, just golden brown, not too fried. Add about half a cup of oil into your pan. Then add your chopped onions. Pan-sear for a little bit. Then add your tomato puree into the pan. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Add your stock, just a tiny bit. Stir together. Check for taste if you need salt or more bouillon powder. But I'll be adding more, so I'll be adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of bouillon powder because my stock already contains all those. Thyme, curry, onion powder and garlic powder. Mix together and cook for another 10 minutes. Once it's ready, you will notice the oil is like on top and the pepper is like below. Stir together and add your plantain and your gizzard. Look at that. Into the pan. Mix thoroughly. Then you can add your chopped red and green bell pepper. You don't have to add this, but it gives it color and nice flavor. Add that to it. Stir nicely. Cover with your lid and leave it to steam for about 2 minutes. Look at that. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.